Neckarsulm in autumn 2017. Series production of the A8 is largely automated. What started with a design draft over 4 years ago is now put together on a production line.
This is a very special moment for me and my team because we once again can witness when technological history in automotive engineering is written.
The Audi employees have come a long and exciting way. Their combined skill and passion once again proved the slogan Vorsprung durch Technik to be true. Everyone involved is proud of their joint performance.
I'm excited about the vehicle. It fills me with pride.
All A8s are produced for the world market in Neckarsulm. The cars that are now built here in the early stages will go to the IAA in September 2017, as well as press and marketing events. Soon after, production is in full swing, and the first customers receive their Audi A8. At its premiere in Barcelona in July 2017, the world press will get its first impression of the new Audi A8.
The new A8 is extremely important to us. It's our flagship car. It sets new standards in design and technology and launches a truly impressive model offensive.
With the development of the A8, Audi definitely pushed the limits of what is feasible. With the Audi A8, the developers and designers have done everything to bring the car of the future into series production. But after the match is also before the match. And so Audi are already facing the challenges for the cars of the day after tomorrow.